Oh hey, it's me Nat Cat. I had some technical difficulties. I'm trying to show you how I curled my hair. Shall we get started? So jumping right in, as you can see, I parted my hair down the middle to create two sections. I've already got one whole section curled. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Take sections that are no bigger than 1 square inch. If you take sections larger than this, it's hard for the heat to penetrate all the way through the section and curl all of the hair, so you end up with like a limp curl. And ain't nobody like a limp curl. Starting off at the top of your 1 inch section, turn the flat iron about 180 degrees. This is basically the same thing as curling a ribbon with a pair of scissors. However, the most important part of this technique is to angle your flat iron downward as you get towards the end of the strand. This will give the entire styled look a more beachy and less bouncy vibe. For example, if you were to take the flat iron and just pull it straight out from your head, the end of the curl becomes a much tighter ringlet. As you're working your way up, taking your 1 inch sections, rotate the direction the curls lay, angling some towards your face and others away. Once the curl is released from the flat iron, it helps if you twist it with your finger in the direction you curled the curl. What? However, everything from the very back of your ear to your hairline should be curled backwards, away from your face. This actually helps to better frame your face. Curls that are angled towards your face tend to make you look like you're trying to hide from the world. And voila! You are done. I always go through and break up the curls with my fingers, but never brush through. That's just gonna make it look fuzzy. Celebratory dance party. Now let's apply some hair product. My favorite leave-in conditioner that I have ever tried in my entire life is this Restore one by Living Proof. It is phenomenal. It is great for fine hair. Doesn't feel like it weighs my hair down at all, but it does add a lot of moisture. Next, we're moving on to some macadamia oil. This is a little bit of a heavier product, but I do like to put it on my ends. It adds a lot of shine and extra moisture where I need it. My ends tend to be quite a bit dry since I do end up bleaching them a lot of the time. No such thing as too much shine, so let's add in She's Shine Infusion Spray. 'Tis the shiniest shine spray I've ever shined in my hair. It smells pretty good to boot. And optional is hairspray. If I do curl my hair, it tends to fall out by the end of the day, so I like Aquage's finishing spray. Pro tip, hold your breath. I usually just kind of spot shot it to my problem areas like my bangs. And there you have it. Shiny, beachy, not ringlety hair, done by a flat iron. I usually curl my hair with a mirror behind me, so there's a couple pieces that I missed, but I'll touch those up later. Anyway, bye!